Is empathy an interspecies possibility? Hello everyone and welcome back. I'm Rachel Winchester and I am the founder of the Horse Informed Academy and the Rewild Your Horse Spirit Principles, and we're joined today by Champ on our forage walk. The other day I was coaching a student and they asked a very poignant question. How do I really know how horses think and feel? And that is a mammoth subject, and I do believe it is one that needs unpacking. It did, however, get me thinking about the idea of empathy. It is a kind of trendy, fashionable phrase at the moment, I know, but bear with me because I think there are some really fascinating layers to peel back, especially when we start applying the concept beyond just human-to-human interactions. So let's start by understanding what empathy is. Empathy is the ability to understand and share the feelings and perspectives of another being. It requires putting yourself in their metaphorical shoes and trying to see things from their point of view. But is genuine empathy towards radically different species like horses actually possible for humans? On one hand, the argument could be made that there are simply too many cognitive and experiential gaps between humans and other animals for full empathy. Our brains are wired so differently, and we inhabit such a vastly divergent subjective reality. How can we truly comprehend what it's like to experience the world as a prey animal, moving on 4 feet with a flight or fight mentality? The textures, smells, drives, and thought processes of a horse are so alien to our human experience. However, one could counter that empathy doesn't require a complete mirroring of another's inner state, just an appreciation and emotional resonance with their core feelings and struggles. While the particulars differ, horses exhibit many familiar experiences humans can relate to: fear, joy, anger, social bonds, physical pains, the drive for security and belonging. An attentive person can observe horse behavior and project some level of similarity, some emotional understanding. Additionally, spending extensive time immersed in the lives of horses, as we do, builds bridges for greater cross-species empathy. You start to perceive patterns and read communication styles and develop systemic knowledge about their needs, their perspectives, and of course their cognitive landscapes. While never complete, this allows some degree of authentic emotional intersection. Ultimately, I think the capacity for empathy towards another species is likely a spectrum. Some level of mutual understanding seems possible, especially for highly intelligent beings like horses and humans, but there are inevitable limits to fully inhabiting each other's mental universes across such a diverse range of evolutionary lineage and ancestral relationships. The key may be meeting in the middle, as most things are, appreciating both the profound differences and the potential crossover points between our shared experiences of consciousness. In simple terms, empathy means feeling and understanding what someone else is feeling. It's hard for humans to fully empathize with animals like horses because our minds work so differently. We can't completely know what it's like to be a horse. However, we can try to understand their basic emotions like fear, happiness, and pain by watching their behaviors closely. Spending lots of time with horses can help build empathy too. Even if we can never experience their world exactly, the key is appreciating both the similarities and differences in our experiences. I'd love to hear your personal perspectives on this fascinating philosophical question. And if you're interested in exploring these types of concepts further through one-on-one coaching on empathy, communication, or any other topic, I'm available for personalized sessions. So just reach out. So from Champ and myself, take care and bye for now.